What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mike, aka North Established, and in this video we are shooting our last video here in London, and it's going to be in the London Underground tube. Now apologies guys if I sound a bit nasally. I am a bit sick right now. New York weather is not fun. Last week it was like 50 degrees and raining, and now it's like 33 right now, so it's super cold, and my body just doesn't know how to react well when the weather changes periodically like that. So I apologize if I sound a bit nasally. And also guys, guess what, I'm no longer recording audio with a lavalier mic, because guess what, I went and got myself the DJI Mic Mini. I don't know if you see it, but I got the transmitter on my head on my hat there. So, and I also picked up with the charging case too as well, so I got an extra mic, and the transmitter is actually on the camera itself. So this is probably one of the biggest purchases, because I've been meaning to upgrade my audio for a very long time, and like now I can just honestly just get up and I can just leave and the audio will still sound great. You know, like, let me know if you guys still hear me. You know, I'm in another room in the back. I'm at least like 15 feet away from the camera, honestly. And honestly, like, this is probably the best purchase I've gotten. And I made actually another purchase during Black Friday week, and I'm gonna share that at the end of the video, because you're gonna know why. Because I might have lost a couple of footages for the street POV video. Yeah, you're gonna see why, but I'm not gonna get too much talking. I'm gonna get into the video. Guys, before we get into the video, please comment, like, and most importantly subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you guys for 4,000 subs. It's been amazing. My biggest goal for next year is 10,000 subscribers for 2025, so looking forward to that. But let's get into let's get into the POV video. I'll see y'all at the end. Let's get into it. These today. Jesus, that ISO is way too high. It's pretty good. Got it 8 seconds. Hammersmith City. Alright, so right now I'm going to head over to Baker Street Station. That's also my first stop where I want to go. And honestly, understanding the tube system wasn't that hard for me since I live in New York. So me understanding how these lines work, I will say though, like the London tube has a lot more layers to it. Like, you guys have platforms here. You got platforms 1, 2, and 3. You got different lines. It's kind of crazy, honestly. Hammersmith. Down here. Alright. Oh, please get out of the way. Get out of the way. Move. Lighting is just insane in here. A little bit of trinket here. I'll take it. If you're calling. That was way too slow. I was not ready for that one. Ooh. It looked good though. Let's try it again. That's crazy. I just got her right through the window. This 85 is sick. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go westbound back to King's Cross Station, and from King's Cross we're gonna transfer to the Northern Line, and we're gonna stop over at Tottenham Court Road, and I think that's gonna be our last stop for the video. Yeah. So 4 stations in one video, I think that's pretty good. You know, so yeah, that's fine. So I had to end the video right there because this is the part where my GoPro has lost footage. So yeah, I didn't get the last part of the POV video for you guys, and I'm a little upset because I took a lot of great photos at that station, and I can show you here. Like this has been going on for about a few months now with this GoPro, and it just recently happened early this year where I was losing a lot of footages through my GoPro. Like it would show that it was recording, but it wasn't capturing the full entire sequence. So I knew that when Black Friday came along that I was going to make a change, and guys, I did make a change. And that change is I invested into the DJI Action 4 cam. I don't know if you can see it, if it focuses, but I was able to pick this up, as well as I got the Adventure combo. So it also came with these 3 batteries, you know, as well too. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty neat. So your boy's never going to, you know, lose footage again. I'll have 3 extra batteries for the Adventure, and honestly, I'm just truly excited for next year because now with all this new gear, new mic, everything. Also, I can use the DJI mic to connect with the Action 4, so we'll have crystal clear audio when I'm going out in the streets doing photography. And that was one of the things I needed to work on too, was when I was going out, you guys couldn't understand what I was saying. So now I can pair this with the Action 4, with the Osmo Pocket 3 too as well, and just get a lot of great audio footage. Like, guys, we leveled up. We made it. We did it. And honestly, it's all thanks to you guys. It's all because you guys have commented, you guys have given me advice, you guys watch my videos, you know, you guys give me some insights, and I do listen to what you guys are saying. So it's because of that I thank you guys so much. But yeah, truly looking forward to testing this Action 4 cam out for the next POV. We have one more video, guys, for the year's over. We're gonna do a New York Street POV video before the year. Probably the week of Christmas it'll come out, or probably the week of New Year's, most likely. So, and then we're gonna start the year off right in San Francisco in January. Literally in 4 weeks. I'm gonna be in San Francisco. So yeah, I'm truly excited for the trip. And I'm also gonna be shooting with my boy Justin, aka Third Shift. If you guys haven't already, he started uploading on YouTube now. He's doing a street POV. I'll leave his channel down below in the description. Go subscribe to his channel, man. He takes a lot of great photos. He shoots on the Sony A7III, and he just has a lot of arsenal in his bag. So go check him out. He's a great photographer. Subscribe to his channel because we're gonna be doing a lot of collabs for 2025 with him. So yeah, guys, stay tuned for the next and final POV of the 2024 year. I'll see you then. Peace.